My name is David Buckland and welcome to this week's Video Insight. I thought I would take this opportunity to update you on our global equities partner, Polen Capital, a 40-year-old staff-controlled business with $55 billion of funds under management. The Polen Capital Global Growth Fund, run out of the company's headquarters in Boca Raton in Florida, headed up by Damon Ficklin and Jeff Muller, and 9 other investment professionals, was launched in Australia 2 years ago. The second strategy, the Polen Capital Global Small and Mid Cap Fund, was launched in Australia, unfortunately, around the peak of the market in October 2021. The portfolio manager, Rob Forker, who is based in Polen Capital's Boston office, is joined by 7 other investment professionals. The third strategy is the Polen Capital Global Emerging Markets Strategy, run by Damien Bird, CFA, out of Polen Capital's London office. In a recently announced transaction, this strategy, via the acquisition of LMG's business, has expanded with funds under management now around US $1.3 billion and a team of 10 split between London 7 and Hong Kong 3. Prior to joining Polen Capital, Damien and his senior colleague Dafford Lewis, CFA, used to work with many members of the LGM team. The Polen Capital Global Emerging Markets Growth team selects what they believe are the highest quality 25 to 40 companies with difficult to replicate competitive advantages. They invest independent of the benchmark allocations based on key indicators for long-term growth, looking for companies that, in their opinion, can earn excess returns for many years into the future. Using a business owner's mindset, Polen Capital conduct deep, on-the-ground due diligence to find and evaluate attractive opportunities around themes of domestic consumption growth, economic catch-up, and digitisation in an effort to drive growth and long-term staying power. The MSCI Emerging Markets Net Total Return Index in Australian dollars benchmark has 1,373 constituent companies with an average market capitalisation of around US $4.6 billion. Major country weights are China, 32%, Taiwan, 15%, India, 13%, South Korea, 12%, and Brazil at 5%. Major sector weights are financials at 22%, information technology at 20%, consumer discretionary at 14%, communications at 10%, materials at 9%, consumer staples at 6%, and industrials also at 6%. Montgomery is investigating the most effective method of offering the Polen Capital Global Emerging Markets Growth Strategy to Australians. And we hope to have more news on this later in 2023. That's all I have time for this week. Thank you, and please continue to follow us on Facebook and Twitter.